And we are outside in this slightly windy situation to check out the DYU 26-inch cycle that I got actually for a review and to share my experience using also the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, filming the complete setup outside. And we will be sharing some experience and what I learned about this e-bike. So first of all, this e-bike has actually 6-speed with the Shimano actual speed gear changer. And yes, we have in the front actual power button with 4 LEDs that will actually indicate your status while driving. In front we have a great chest design, so yes, you can do your shopping and put inside a lot of stuff. Now I'm putting inside all my gear that I'm filming and actually traveling around with this bike. On the back side we have a great support where you can actually store a lot more things or actually put a child seat and go around with your child. This will be pretty good. The complete weight of this bike is 27 kilos. And yes, it comes with these 26-inch Chaoyang rubber tires that are actually quite good after I was running around. And yes, also we have 2 disc brakes. And yes, these are mechanical disc brakes, one on the front and one on the back, so it will guarantee actually a great safe stopping actual with the brakes that are disc based. Also we have a great plastic covers so your actual trousers will not get dirty while driving. And yes, we have 2 fenders, one on the back and one on the front. Also we have an amazing shock absorbing system, so yes, even in some rough terrain this should be pretty good. And after testing it, yes, it was perfect. And sorry again for this windy situation, but we are outside in this lakeside view, and yes, the weather can change rapidly from a sunny sunshine to an actual, well, windy, mostly rainy on that side. But well, let's get back into this bike. The complete frame is white coated and painted, and actually you can also remove your battery, returning the key to the actual power off mode, and then you will be able to remove the battery and putting it on the charge. And after that, just putting it back just like that, you'll have the power, putting the actual knob to push on, and then also pressing this button here, you can check the actual status of the battery. And now you are ready to go, pressing the power button on the front, and you will have the actual speed knob right on the right hand. On the left side we have the actual horn and the actual on and off switch from the front light. As I said before, we have also the back light, but this light is actually battery powered and has 2 modes, on, off and flashy. And great option for low light situations, you will get a pretty good visibility. And assembling this bike was really easy and simple, and in under 20 minutes you can get ready to go driving without any problems. Well, and now I have tested around 25 kilometers around this lake a couple of times, and from my first experience, well, it's pretty stable, and actual stopping power is decent for this standard type of bike. And yes, the maximum speed is 25 kilometers per hour, and after that the actual power assistant goes off and you can actually pedal. But yes, on the 25 kilometer it actually cutting off the power, because yes, it's in the US standard and you can drive for 25 kilometers with power assistant. And yes, actually this bike is also assisting you even if you are not pedaling. So yes, actually you can check, you can press the throttle and it will turn the wheel. So you can select actually drive with assistant and it will be slightly less powerful, or actually turn the knob down and then it will be assisting you much better. So if you're just pedaling around, it will be assisting you but in a slighter way. And great option if you want to combine actually and save some battery if you want to go for longer rides. But well, the stated battery of 60 kilometers is pretty real, because I have made around 25 kilometers and we have just one green light off. So yes, it's pretty real. The actual ride for this bike is in city position, relaxed, and actually you will be mostly driving this bike around the town and going for shopping, or actually driving your kids to the kindergarten or school, or actually driving by yourself around and have a great fun. And yes, you can set 4 speed settings from low. And sorry for these windy situations, but I hope that the DJI Mic 2 will do a good job actually slightly removing this noise of the actual wind. And yes, I am filming also with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 in D-Log 10, but in auto settings, because actual light is changing fast. And we have here the DJI 26 City Cycle, and this is actual review of it. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. I will be happy to answer to all them. Till my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make new video, and see you on my next one.